Good night, tutor animates. My name is Santiago Dixon Moreno. I am 46 years old. I am in 9th semester bachelor's degree in foreign language with an emphasis in English. The pedagogical education regulation that UNED gives seems very important to me. Since through this regulation we must comply with a total of 24 articles, within which I can highlight articles 21 and 22 where we are named the rights and the duties of the students in practice, and which are very significant and essential. For example, the article 21 is very important since the different duties that I have as a teacher in training are mentioned. There are a total of 18 duties that are mentioned, but some are more relevant than others. Among these are planning and having sufficient time for the fulfillment and development of the activities in situ, maintaining assertive, pertinent, and constant communication with the practice scenario. If we want to guarantee and successfully finish our pedagogical practices in educational institution or in some virtual scenario where we are. That is why if we want this to be a truly wonderful and rewarding experience, we must comply with all the items mentioned in said regulation for the good of our career as teachers and for the good of our students. Finally, as a teacher in training, I must legally comply with this regulation if I want to successfully complete my pedagogical practices and therefore receive my certification that accredits me to be able to promote the first job, to be able to start my career as a new teacher in any institution where I am going to do my teaching work. Leave high the name of the UNED at the School of Educational Science for the common good of the educational community where I am doing my pedagogical practices. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.